Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix app not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart mobile. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, check internet. Open settings, click on connection, check Wi-Fi. Now click on mobile network, click on network mode, click on 5G preferred. Now go back, click on data usage. Now turn on mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store. Click on your profile. Scroll down. Click on manage apps and device. Click on updates. Here you will see app, and if you want to update all apps, then click on update all. After click on update all update will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Here you will see app, select app that you want to clear app cache. After selecting app, click on storage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on factory data reset, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, documents, files will be deleted, erased or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix apps not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.